Hello, congratulations. Yes, welcome to this episode. Congratulations to you if you are with us from the first episode to this episode. I know you are learning something. Those who are commenting, when you comment, you give us, and you comment and then you like. I know. So that give me strength. I know. I'm helping someone. But if I'm not seeing the likes and then the comment, how you are seeing the lesson, what are you suggesting? Are you getting it? Am I explaining well? Or am I running while explaining? So I don't know. But for me, if I found an opportunity like this, commenting or liking will not be a problem. So congratulations to you, and God bless you. Be ready for this episode. In the previous episode, we learned this stuff. So those are different skills that we have learned with those that are always present in this lesson. Do not miss even one, because when you miss, you never know what you miss. The video you miss is the video that has the knowledge that you need. But congratulations. So today I need us to use this. How will I use them? I'll just give you an exercise so that you can try to mix. We will mix them. Yes. The progression will be 1, 5, 4, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5. It's a 7. So these stuff are very important. Can you see how how they are calibrating my rhythm? So you need to learn. Go, if you didn't watch the previous lesson, I think it's the 4th lesson episode. Go and learn these things. They will help your guitar a lot. They will help you shift. So let's try these exercises while we are progressing. So 1, 5, 4, 5. Or C, G, F, G, C, G, F, G. Let's go. So I will play them like this. Then, even without the big, I'm in C, but I'm picking the fifth. Let me take the pick. I'm picking the fifth, second, and the first in this key of C. Can you see this hand? Fifth, second, and first. Let's go. Direct. There is a previous lesson that we learned on this stuff. You need to watch it. If you watched it but you didn't get it well, you need to exercise on it or rewatch it. This is C normal. Here is C normal, but I will choose the fifth, the second, and the first. Then I will come here. These hands will come on the fourth strings and this on the first one. After the first, second, third fret. Direct. Jump this one fret and I come here. And then this is G, right? To play the first, so and then this is F. Fourth, first and second. Right? So now watch this. When you know very well this, and then we have already learned these things. Watch our previous episodes. So here's the magic of this stuff. You know, I'm normally playing like this. Now I can change. I can now play with them as I like. So You need to learn this stuff if you didn't watch our previous episode. Hope you have seen this. And then exercise. This is just an example that I give you. So go and develop it yourself and found other. Here we have a multitude of rhythm, of melodies that you can play, right? This is just the example. This is another. So thank you very much for watching the full video, and my God bless you. See you in the next episode, and do not give up, please. This 150 episode will really help you. Thank you very much, and goodbye.